Hello everyone, and welcome to this particular video. And this is a different kind of video where I will be helping my friend Pavan in kind of selling on Gumroad. So Gumroad is a platform where you can sell your ebooks, different products, and obviously you can earn the revenue. There are different ways in which you can put your product in. Like you can do it free of cost. You can put it at a pricing, apply, do discounts and stuff like that on different kind of occasions. So many things are there, and I think it's a very good way of kind of side earning. I never call anything as passive income, because any passive income also requires some hard work. Like people say, YouTube is passive income, and write the book and it's passive income. But you have put the hard work in writing the book. You have put the hard work in creating the video and consistency. So basically, everything requires consistency. If you want to call it passive income, it's fine. But what we would call it, like it's the hard work done by Pawan, and we are just trying to kind of put it in a good way so that everyone can benefit from it. So let's get started. So Pavan, before like going and before I help you out in setting all the stuff on Gumroad, and which anybody can do, but like we have to tell the process. Tell us a bit about yourself and what is the stuff that you have done.
Um, Hi everyone, I am Pavan. I'm Azure DevOps engineer. I'm working as an Azure DevOps engineer, and this was a challenge for me to simplify the concepts that I am learning into something that anybody can understand. So my main focus with these visuals is to condense the concept of Kubernetes or whichever topic I choose into a single image. So anybody that looks at it, they can just see it and they should be able to understand if they have a little context of what it is. So that is how I started, and I received a lot of love from the community. So I gradually started making more of these visual guides, and it took us I started initially without any colors, so it was really simple. And as I progressed, and as the content was like it was really loved, it made me really excited. So I started adding different colors and different ways to just simplify the whole complex concept.
Cool. So to summarize it, Pavan has created visual guides for understanding Kubernetes concepts. What we are trying to do here is we have compiled that into a book form, so that you can just have a PDF and you can go through all the stuff that he has created, and we are putting that on Gumroad. So Pavan, can you open gumroad.com? Yep. So this is the website where you can go from zero to $1, and you can just do it. Uh, I'll tell you like what's the agenda behind selling on Gumroad, and why we are doing it. Obviously, it's too simple, so we'll see that. So can you log in, Pavan? Cool. So it takes 2 minutes to get started. Can you put a username for yourself? Yep. Choose the fancy picture if you have any. Cool. You can put your name, a little bit bio, and go to your homepage. So basically, our first, basic setup is done. We are on Gumroad. Now let's go to the products and choose new product. So this is where you can choose different type of products that you want to sell, like digital product. You have membership plans, you have newsletter and stuff like that. So I myself, I'm having a book and a membership plan, which gives me a lot of options, like different membership plans. Even in book, we'll be having a lot of options to to provide different versions of the same book. Like in my case, I have CK scenarios book. I have a PDF only version, then I have PDF plus video version, so both with different kind of pricing. So all those customizations are super simple to use. So in this particular case, we are going with a ebook that we want to sell on Gumroad. So select ebook and name the product.
Yep.
So this is where you put the price. He wanted to kind of give it away for free for for the user, so that people can take maximum benefit from it and they can learn. So we'll be putting the price as, so click on save.
Yeah, we'll hit
Yeah,
next.
next. So now it will be asking all the fancy stuff, all the information, and on the right hand side, you will start seeing the preview, like how it will actually look like. So we'll be like adding a lot of information, and we'll cut the video from here, and you'll see the final preview. Okay, so we have filled all the information. So first we filled the name, then we have added the description. We have made this as free. We have added the cover photo, added the thumbnail should be square, product information, what you want to, like, I want to buy this or I want to do this, and give the summary, and then actual content that you want to give to your audience, you put that as a file over here. Integrations, if you want to do any pricing, so we have kept $0, but we have also allowed the customers to pay what they want, so that if you want to support any work that Pavan is doing, you can add a few amount over there and you can purchase that as well. On the right hand side, you'll actually see what the customer, or as an audience, what they'll be seeing. So this is what they'll be seeing, and they'll be able to purchase this particular book. So moving on to the checkout section, you can see you have discount codes. Now if you have a paid product, you can run a discount campaign on different occasions, and you can do that. Then is the payment information, like what all information is required. Like if you're shipping something, then obviously you need shipping address, you can ask those details. This is the thank you note. Like I suppose I purchased, this is how what I will be seeing on the screen after the purchase. So I think we are done for for publishing your first book. Let's go for it.
Yep.
Cool, the book
Yeah,
is
we
published.
have
You
it.
can, yeah, you can just copy the URL, send it over to me. Let me make the first purchase for you. Yep, I have made the first purchase. You should be like receiving your first purchase, or you can go in your audience and see that I have purchased it.
Yeah, got it.
Yep, just don't click on that, else it will reveal
Yeah,
my email address, which is
understood.
fine.
Yep.
Cool. So you made your first purchase. Congratulations,
Yeah,
Pavan, for publishing your first guide. And to
thank
everyone,
you.
it's like the guides are really helpful. So all support Pavan in the work that he's doing. Obviously, if you're not able to support, then you can buy it for free. It is for free, but if you
Yeah,
can, then do support. And there are a lot of analytics that you can do afterwards on your product, which is very easy, and it will be like interesting. Now, Pavan, I would request you to kind of share it everywhere, and just spread out the word that you have put. And also, like, if any other person, you can start your monetization in different ways. Like you can have companies or products to reach out to you, and you can ask a particular amount and create those visual guides for them, because obviously it takes a lot of time, effort, and it should be paid off. So many people requested me, like, how they can get started on Gumroad. I started last year, and I thought, like, we can like create a small video. When you reached out, I thought we can create a small video so that everyone knows how easy it is to get started with Gumroad, and just put your products out, put your hard work out, and spread the word. And for the payment part, yeah, so if you are in like India, you can connect your PayPal account. And if you are in, like, there are a lot of payment integrations that are there in Gumroad, but as far as I know, like for the Indian stuff, it is PayPal, that you have to create a PayPal account first, integrate it with Gumroad, and automatically stuff will be happening. So in the end, you'll be getting money in your bank accounts. So I think it's a very good way to, like, monetize your hard work and globally, and make your voice heard to masses. So Pavan, congratulations for publishing your first book. Spread out the word, and thank you for all the work that you're doing for Kubesimplify, and keep rocking and keep creating awesome content.
thank you, Sam. And yeah, feel free to download it, everyone. It's totally free. Yeah, enjoy it.
Cool. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Make sure you spread this so that everyone can start their small business, or at least put out their work for free. Whatever their motive is, anything is fine. So you can generate revenue. You can put out a free. You can create services, memberships, and whatnot stuff. So explore Gumroad. It's This video is not sponsored by Gumroad, first of all. So it's just the platform that I really like, and I have been like selling my products over there. So you can too. So but this video is brought to you by Armo, Cloud Casa, Commodore Robusta, Sysdig, Speed Scale, Suborbital, Slim AI, and Teleport. So make sure you check them out as well. And our awesome Kubesimplify community, please make sure to join. A lot of stuff to learn for free, blogs you can contribute to, and you can learn from them as well. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.